In this video, we'll be talking about how to open an HSBC bank account online. So in order to do that, head over first to your Google search URL and then search in here for HSBC Bank. So once you have done that, you should be able to see in here this. So HSBC actually has a lot of branches, but here we have one on the Philippines. Head over and click on the first link. If you're on the US or America, should be able to see in here the web page for the US bank. So let me just close in here this and now we can see this. Now you should be able to see in here this register option. Head over and click on that. And then from in there, you should be able to see in here this register for online banking. They have 5 easy steps. So you can need to have an HSBC card or phone banking number. You can use either HSBC credit card, debit, PIN, and the likes. So if you want to register, you just need to head over and then agree to the terms and conditions. Now click on this, enter your credentials, log in, set security questions, and confirmation. Click on this register now option. Then after that, it will direct us to this page. So let's agree first to the terms and condition. Click on continue. Then enter in here your phone banking number. So you can input your phone banking PIN or you can also input right here your ATM debit card account number or credit card number. Now put in here the number as well as the issue number, PIN, and the likes. And then, for example, let's input right here my credentials first. Once you have inputted those, make sure to just put in here your logon details such as username, memorable question, and password, and input your security questions in order to actually verify that it's you. And also confirm all of the details that you have added, and then head over and then click on the register option in order to start with the registration process.